At Safe Valley, we've built an intelligent, sovereign ecosystem of autonomous drone swarms, designed for the most demanding environments. At its core, our own autopilot, capable of managing mixed-type drone fleets with almost no client adaptation, something no one else can match. Our fully automated Hive stations on the launch, recovery, ultra-fast charging, predictive maintenance, and secure data transfer, enabling true 24/7 missions without constant human intervention. Equipped with modular payloads and frugal AI, our drones observe, analyze, and act instantly, from agriculture and infrastructure to defense and security. We're targeting a market worth over $40 billion by 2030. Our autonomous systems cut costs, boost safety, and ensure technological sovereignty, while creating high value recurring revenue from data, analytics, and maintenance. I'm Jan from Safe Valley. Let's take security to the next level.